Okay, so here we go, 3.4. Multiplying or dividing fractions. Now, real quick before we jump into dividing, let me go through how this works again. So what we got to remember is when I'm dividing, that means it's like really big fraction. So it's 25 over 32 all over 15 over 56. And then we multiply the top and bottom by the reciprocal of the denominator, because 56 over 15 will cancel that denominator out. So the trick just becomes, oh, turn this and flip the second one to become 25 over 32 times 56 over 15. And then take your common factors out. 15 and 25 are both divisible by 5. 32 and 56 are both divisible by 8. So now you get 5 times 7 over 4 times 3, which is 35 over 12. Which is also then 2 and 11/12 if you made it a mixed number. All right, then number 10. Number 10. This one is a mixed number. Now, if they're mixed number, what that means is you have to turn both of them into then an improper fraction. That's how we divide. We don't have a way to get around that. So 8 times 9 is 72, plus 4 over 9 is 76 over 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 over 9 is 19 over 9. So we have then 76 over 9 divided by 19 over 9, okay, which is really 76 over 9 times 9 over 19. Those both cancel, the 9's do. And actually even the 19 and the 76 do, because this is 4 and 1. So we have 4 times 1, which is 4. 1 times 1, which is 1. So overall, this is 4. So that one worked out really nicely. 24. Got a squared over b squared divided by c squared over b squared. So again, what do we have to do? We have to flip the second fraction. So we have a squared over b squared times b squared over c squared. And I talked about this in class. Split up anything that you can factor if you can, especially if it's variables. And then cross out by cross canceling. So I have 1b on bottom, 1b on top. 1b on bottom, 1b on top. And that's actually it. Nothing else can be done. So now I'm left with a times a on top. Well, a times a is a squared. And then c times c on bottom, which is c squared. So we get a squared over c squared for number 24. Okay. 30 then. Sewing. How many robes can be made from 20 1/4 yards of fabric if each robe needs 1 1/8 yard? Well, it's in the division section, but hopefully it makes sense. Like, let's say this for something nice, like 21 yards, and instead of being 1 1/8, that's like 3 yards. If you needed 21 yards to do something, you got 3 yards to do for each of them. Oh, it'd be 21 divided by 3. So same thing here. 20 1/4 divided by 1 1/8. Okay. This becomes 81 over 4 divided by 9 over 8, which is actually 81 over 4 times 8 over 9. And this actually works out really nicely then, because 4 and 8 become 2 and 1. 1 and 8 becomes 9 and 1. So 9 times 2 is 18 over 1. 18 robes. And there we go. That is section 3.4.